Hello, my plane enthusiasts and AV geeks. Today we have a Gemini Jets Delta Boeing 717-200. This is the new mold, so there are a few things that may not be correct. So let's take a deep dive. Okay, here it is out of the box. I kind of skipped the looking around the box. I'll probably put that towards the end. So here's kind of a top view. I'll bring it a little closer. There we go. Some people are saying the nose is not correct, or it's a little too short. I do notice that the eyebrows are missing above the main windows. You have the L1 door, the landing gear, the billboard titles. You have the emergency exits along with the emergency stamps. Tail number is November 998 Alpha Tango. Then you have the tail section. You do have detailed wings with flaps and slats and the speed brake. I forget what it's actually called. I'm sorry, I'm kind of blanking today. You have detailed horizontal stabilizers or elevators. I'll see if I can get this to focus. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but the detail on the rudder. It does have one antenna. You do have one cargo door there and one back there. Unlike the older one, this does have the titles on the bottom of the fuselage. The wheel back, the main landing gear do roll, the nose gear do not. Here's a front view, left side view, back view, right side view, or left side view, I'm sorry, underneath, and on top. I don't know what the original mold looks like. Well, I kind of do. I've seen some comparisons, and the older model seems to have a bigger nose, and it does have the eyebrows, but it doesn't have the titles on the bottom. My landing gear just fell off. But it definitely does seem to be a nicely detailed model. And now I'll show you the box. Alright, before I get to the box, I was able to fix the landing gear issue. These were not crimped completely closed, so I crimped both of them as closed as I can. I don't know if you can see that little line in there. That was kind of open, a little bit more open than that one. So I used tweezers to crimp them closed. So if you get one of these, be a little aware of that. Okay, so here it is back in the box. Of course, you have the panel, flip-up panel that gives you information about the plane and some specs. You get to view it. Here's the bottom side of the plane, of the box. The left side, top, right side, and the back. I hope you enjoyed this review, or I guess you can say look at the model. It is a 2023 Gemini Jet. I did pre-order it, and it was finally delivered to me just a couple days ago. So I've noticed with some places you can pre-order, and it can take a few months to get to you in some cases. So, and that was the case with this. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a good one. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you soon.